Correct. Guys, just a second. I'm setting it up.
Good morning. Okay, I can see some people here already. Very good. 10:30 exact. Very, very good. So if you have already joined, then please tell me a hi or hello. Hi,
Hi,
Lakshmi.
ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Takshana this side.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, Takshila. And who else? Who else is there?
Hi, this is Ashwini.
Hi, Ashwini.
Hi Shabana, this is Seema here.
Hi, Seema. Hi, Garima. Can you all see me?
Yes.
Yes.
Amazing, amazing. Okay. So we'll just wait for another minute. And hi, Garima. So
Hey, good morning.
morning. अच्छा लग रहा है ना 10:30 को आके एकदम sharp. It's nice. It's nice because we have to value everybody's timing. Okay, मुझे बहुत लोगों के faces नहीं दिखाई.
Device has connected successfully.
Okay. So Ashwini, I can see you.
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, धीरे-धीरे connect हो रहा है. So just another minute and we will start. Dipti, yes, hi, good morning. I can see you. I can see Mehrunisa. Hi, good morning. Hi, I can see Seema also. Am I audible enough? Am I audible enough?
Yes.
Great. So how excited are you guys? Just before we start. So we have, I think, a couple of more people to go. So we'll wait for a minute. And meanwhile, I'll just tell you all, the combination of this team is so powerful when it just started coming. Acha, Hindi English. Okay. So English. Yeah, English. Yeah. So the combination is so powerful. So we have a professor, we have an advocate, we have a home chef, we have home bakers, and मैंने actually सबके profession लिख के रखे because I was actually so excited. Then we have somebody who's a SEO specialist. There's an architect. So this is we also have a cupping therapist. This is so amazing, isn't it? So I think one is obviously the combination. The other thing why I was feeling so happy about it is you guys see me as somebody, not just आपने मुझे एक होम शेफ के ढांचे में नहीं डाला है. You're not just seeing me as अच्छा ये तो खाना पकाती है या इसकी अम्मी तो खाना पकाती है. So you're seeing me as an entrepreneur. I think that's good. So thank you for that. And I think a big clap for all of y'all. Y'all reached on time, which is very, very essential. Okay, so good. So let's start. And 5 minute देर हुआ है. So next time when you'll join, तो आप तो join करेंगे. जो late आए हैं तो थोड़ा careful. We don't have to make everybody wait, right? अच्छा, तो मैंने तीसरा रीजन ये है कि मैंने ये सब क्यों लिखा था. मतलब the kind of combinations that we have is because I was nervous. मैं actually ये सब लिख रही थी. What all am I going to tell you people? और मैं ये बोलूंगी और वो बोलूंगी because I don't want to miss out on anything. तो मतलब हम आपका टेक अवे by the time you go, that half an hour, 35 minutes, it should be that ekdam powerful tha yaar. That has to be your takeaway. Correct? You should not be, अरे ये तो क्या नया बताया है इसने. Correct? So, okay, so let's begin. So we said that we are going to talk about 5 secrets, okay, 5 business secrets. And today, आप लोग सारे लोग, लक्ष्मी, you are able to understand, right? Okay. So आज आप लोग यहाँ पे क्यों 10:30 बजे आए हैं? Because there is something that I am doing right, or there is something जो मुझे पता है, जो शायद आपको पता है और आप implement नहीं कर रहे हैं या नहीं पता है. Correct? So a quick introduction about me. So the people who know me, not as Ammi's Kitchen, like Garima knows me since I don't know how many years now. So my introduction is very quick. Okay, I started off with Ammi's Kitchen about 2 hours plus a few months, and today, as I sit in front of you, we have appeared in more than a dozen of magazines, newspapers. We've appeared in TV channels, and the best, the benchmark till now is we've made it to Forbes. Yeah, so there is something that we've done, and we are doing it. Obviously, there is, Rome was not built in a day. We all agree. Yeah, so there is hard work, and not just hard work, there is smart work by me, by my mom, by my sister, by my husband. So collectively as a family, there is a force which has come together to build this entire thing, right? So that's on the Ammi's Kitchen part. And eventually when we saw that the way we were growing, we wanted to share these things. We wanted to share these things, our experiences, the way we fell, we stood up. Okay, we want you guys to stand up without falling. Okay, तो जहां जहां हमने गलतियां की हैं, so that's a learning. Okay, we want those learnings, जो अच्छी है गलत है, वो सारी चीजें we want to share with you guys. Okay, because 10:30 if you're here, that means half battle won. Please understand that. Okay, जो वक्त की कदर करता है, वक्त उसकी कदर करता है. If you don't value time, तो ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं. Okay, अभी जैसे अगर मेहरुन्निसा, she is a professor. If she doesn't reach on time, there is somebody else who will replace her. Correct? It can be the other way around also. Somebody is not coming on time. Mehrunisa is very perfect about everything. If she is there, she is the winner. Correct? So that's how the entire thing is. So let's begin with why we are all here. Okay, and like I was saying that I have written down every single thing so that we go stepwise, and I don't want to miss out on anything. If you guys have any questions, please, we will take it at the end of the day, or फिर भी, I mean at the end of the session. और अगर फिर भी, if anything is left out, you can please call me, message me, email it to me. That's fine. Yeah, no stress. Okay, so the very first thing. So the 5. There are a lot of success stories. The 5 that we have picked up for today. One is do something. Please write down. If you want, please write down. Dipti, are you in sync? Okay, good. So do what you love. The sentence is not complete. Do what you love, and you can monetize it. Money is second god. Today, whatever we are doing is for money. Correct? So do what you love, and monetize it. Now you can unmute yourself and tell me, say, one or two things that you which is of your interest, and you would do anything to to just go for it, anything.
इट वॉज माई ड्रीम कि मैं बचपन से ऐसे चाहती थी सोशल वर्क करना, बट पीयर प्रेशर की वजह से पेरेंट्स ने ज्यादा पढ़ने नहीं दिया, अब सिर्फ 10th तक पढ़ी। बट ये चीज मेरे अंदर थी पहले से, तो अभी हमारा छोटा सा जैसे एनजीओ चल रहा है सुपर वुमन करके। और सेकेंडली मुझे सबको हील करना पसंद था, इसलिए मैंने कपिंग थेरेपिस्ट, जैसे मैंने कपिंग का डिप्लोमा किया और मैं उसमें माशाल्लाह मुझे बहुत अच्छे रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहे हैं।
Good, great. Anybody else?
So ma'am, there is me, Takshashala, and I did a.
I can't see your face, Baba.
Ma'am, actually my lab camera is not working. Yeah. So actually, if I'm talking about me, I want to do my hotel management course after my 12th plus, but due to my parents, my mother wants to me be an engineer, and I got a good marks in my competitive exam. So इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद now I'm in a good company. I know Ronak sir and Shabana ma'am was visit my office for a yoga session, and that time I saw her and
Okay, hold. Takshila, what I'm asking all of you, let me repeat that question once again.
yeah.
One word. Tell me something which you love and you can do anything to just crack it.
So now I just want to do becoming a chef. Okay, and now I can do anything for this.
Okay, great. So what we are saying is, one, you do something, or you do something which you love extremely, passionate about it, okay? But if that thing is not going to monetarily help you, it's a hobby, then it becomes a hobby.
Yeah.
Right? So if I am, if I love to write, I write at times. I love to write. I love to sing, but I don't do it every day. Am I monetizing on it? No. So suppose if I love to write, or to sing or whatever, and tomorrow I go to TVS Saregama or wherever, and I become a runner up, or I become a winner, and then I get shows, that's monetizing. Are you in sync now? Do what you love, which will help you monetize. Okay? तो आपका आज का होमवर्क लिख लें सारे लोग। आपका होमवर्क ये है, you have to list down 5 things which you love. ठीक है? ये 5 चीजें पहले लिख लेना, उसके बाद ये लिखना से आपको पैसे आएंगे क्या। ठीक है? या अगर आपको आधी रात को किसी ने उठा दिया और बोला कि मैडम आप है ना कपिंग थेरेपी करेंगे क्या रात को 2 बजे?
I used to do.
Yeah, Ashwini is an architect. Okay, so Ashwini को अगर किसी ने पूछा, Ashwini, you know what, मेरा ना बेडरूम का एक कोना है यार, वो तू मेरे को डिजाइन करके दे देगी क्या? तो अश्विनी से तू कल सुबह 9 बजे तेरा ईमेल देखना, you will get it. Okay, और मुझे 10,000 ट्रांसफर कर देना, बराबर है? So write down those 5 things. Correct है? First point clear है?
हाँ.
Okay. Let's go to point number 2. Point number 2 is do whatever it takes. Do whatever it takes to reach your goals.
Can you repeat it? Do whatever it takes?
Do whatever it takes to reach your goals. तो आप कुछ भी कर लेंगे वो गोल रीच करने के लिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके पास गोल होना चाहिए। ओके, गोल बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए, बहुत स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए. गोल cannot be okay. How many people think okay, if Shabana says or if Lakshmi says my goal is to become successful, is that a goal? Yes or no?
Yes.
Half
Yes,
goal, yes.
everybody says yes.
No, no.
No, I
Half
feel
goal, I guess.
It's a very vague goal.
Quantifiable नहीं है.
Towards it.
No, it's not a goal.
yeah,
Being
it's not.
successful is not a
towards
goal.
it.
It's a byproduct.
Yeah.
आपका गोल क्या होना चाहिए? Very clear. I
Specific.
want to become a cupping therapist, or I want to become an actress in a Hollywood movie by 2021 and have a check written in my name of 5 lakh rupees. Is it clear? Does it make sense? और ये गोल अचीव करने के लिए you will do anything. Okay, you will not see आज मुझे लग गया है, आज ये हो गया है, आज मेरा सर दर्द कर रहा है, आज पेट दर्द है, आज मुझे चम्स आए हैं. Okay, आज मुझे पीरियड्स है, सब स्माइल कर रहे हैं. ये ऐसे हम एक्सक्यूज देते हैं ना. आज है ना, आज मेरे हस्बैंड को ना छुट्टी, आज मेरे को ना उनको पराठे बना के देने हैं. गरिमा स्माइलिंग. और आज मेरे बाबा का आज वो क्या बोलते हैं, पीटीए मीटिंग है, तो सॉरी सर आज मैं नहीं आ सकती. हम लोग कल करें क्या? देयर इज नो कल, देयर इज नो कल. कंपटीशन इज सो टफ, इट इज कट थ्रोट. तू नहीं कोई और सही, कोई और नहीं कोई और सही. राइट? So you will do whatever it takes to achieve your goal, and goal has to be very, very clear and sharp. That's your point number 2, or that's your second secret. Clear hai? Are we in sync?
Yes.
Okay. Can we go to point number 3? Any questions so far? Please write down. Okay. Point number 3. Today, why are you guys here? मतलब ऐसे बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में ये सवाल आ रहा होगा कि आंटी ये तो मुझे पता था. आ रहा है ना? आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है? हाँ, ये तो मुझे पता था. पता होने के बाद है. ओके. और जब नेक्स्ट सेशन होगा, आई एम वेरी श्योर 80 to 90% of the people will come back. You know, because you know that आपको चीजें पता होने के बाद भी there is something that she knows which we don't, right? Or we know but we've not taken any action on it. Correct?
Yes.
और हम सिर्फ सुनते हैं, हाँ ठीक है, ये है वो है, लेकिन हमने उससे कुछ काम नहीं किया है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ that people fail. As humans we fail. But अगर आपका सिस्टम स्ट्रेट है ना, it will work like a machine for you. तो अगर आप हो या ना हो, it will work. Okay? अगर अश्विनी suddenly she thinks that आज उसको 1 महीना छुट्टी पे जाना है, she wants to just backpack and go. Will her office work or no? She's nodding her head. She's saying no, it will not work. गरिमा thinks के 15 days मुझे ना छुट्टी पे जाना है, मेरी मम्मी को बाहर ले जाना है या मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना है. will her system work? Will her business work or not work? Not work. Every year, साल में 2 बार मैं और रौनक मतलब मेरे हस्बैंड हम है ना बैकपैक करते हैं. और बैकपैक कैसे करते हैं? मतलब अभी आज पूरा दिन काम कर लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, शाम को हम लोग बोलते हैं चलो कल 15 डेज के लिए ऑफ एंड वी जस्ट गो एंड माय सिस्टम वर्क्स wherever I am. So what does the third secret say? Systems will never fail you. आपके systems जो है, थोड़ा और क्लैरिटी दे देती हूँ मैं. When we say systems मतलब आपका काम इतना स्ट्रीमलाइन होना चाहिए, आप हो या ना हो, आपका बैकअप इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए कि आप हो या ना हो. ओके, ऑटोमेटिकली योर वर्क शुड हैपन, योर मनी शुड कीप कमिंग इन. सिंपल. आपको सिर्फ एक हॉक साइड देना है. हाँ ठीक है, ये ठीक चल रहा है, ये ठीक चल रहा है, ये ठीक चल रहा है. ठीक है. फिर you are with me? You coming?
Yes.
Okay. So are we in sync now?
Yes.
You all agree to what I'm saying? That was our third secret. The fourth secret is, चलो अभी सब कुछ कर लिया हमने हमको क्या पसंद है सबसे ज्यादा, जिसके लिए हम आधी रात को उठ के हम दौड़ पड़ेंगे, या हमने हमारे गोल्स भी बहुत अच्छे से सेटअप कर लिए. ठीक है. और क्या कर लिया हमने, और हमने एक स्ट्रक्चर भी कर लिया. ठीक है. फिर भी हम फेल हो जाएंगे, या फिर भी हम फेल हो सकते हैं. सोचिए क्यों? क्यों फेल होंगे?
प्लान प्रॉपर नहीं होगा इसलिए.
हाँ, और क्या?
एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स.
एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर
मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लॉकडाउन आ गया, कोरोना आ गया, तो वी कुडंट डू एनीथिंग.
यही सुनना था. माय हस्बैंड इज लाफिंग फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. यही सुनना था. लॉकडाउन आ गया, अब क्या करें? मतलब वी हैव 1000 एक्सक्यूजेस. ये वो ये नहीं आता कभी, ये आता है ये. द प्रॉब्लम इज योर. वो सारी चीजें होंगी ही. ऑल दोज थिंग्स विल बी देयर. और आपका बिजनेस फेल होगा बिकॉज ऑफ यू, और किसी वजह से नहीं. बिकॉज यू डिड नॉट एनालाइज, यू डिड नॉट थिंक, यू बिकेम कंप्लेसेंट. राइट. हमने सोचा हाँ ठीक है हमारा तो चल रहा है, या हमने सोचा ठीक है हम तो इसमें खुश हैं. अब वो मीडियोकर लाइफ या मीडियोकर बिजनेस जब अचानक से कोई बम्प आया, देन वी क्रैश. So the problem is where? The problem is within us. Correct? तो अगर हम कोई solid action नहीं लेते हैं, तो the fourth mantra or the fourth secret is action is equal to success. हमारे पास excuses का भंडार होता है, बट हम सिर्फ excuses ही देते हैं. तो अगर कोई जेन्युइन रीजन भी है, कोई बहुत जेन्युइन रीजन है, लेकिन हम उसके ऊपर एक्शन लेते हैं क्या? मतलब वो फिलहाल टेम्पररी हो गया, उसको पैच कर दिया, खत्म. That's what we do. Correct? And that's why we fail. कभी बिजनेस में है ना छोटी चीजें होती है जिसकी वजह से we fail, At times there are bigger things जिसकी वजह से we fail. Okay? But how we take action to close those things is what a true businessman will, or you know, a true businessman will always be one notch above than the others. Do we agree?
Yes.
Okay. तो इसके लिए एक्सक्यूजेस देने के अलावा आप क्या कर सकते हैं? इसका रिवर्स क्या कर सकते हैं आप?
वो जो स्किल में हम इंटरेस्टेड हैं उसके लिए हमें ज्यादा स्टडी करना चाहिए. हम उससे कैसे और आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. देयर आर मेनी वेज. स्टडी करें.
और
We need to look beyond the problem.
ओके, और क्या?
Like suppose corona is there, we are stuck up somewhere, we need to look beyond it. Now what we can do now?
तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? एक वन वर्ड में बताऊं आपको. इसका मतलब है हम अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखते हैं. हम ये बोलते हैं कि बॉस कुछ भी हो गया ना, वी आर फाइटर्स. ये हो गया तो इसका सोल्यूशन ये हो गया तो इसका सोल्यूशन ये. ओके. और कभी लाइफ में किसी से पूछने में हिचकिचाइएगा नहीं. Never. Okay? I always have that one philosophy. पूछने में क्या जाता है? Correct? There is no harm in asking, right? ज्यादा में ज्यादा सामने वाला मना कर देगा या बोलेगा मुझे नहीं पता. और अगर आपको उसका आंसर मिल गया, is there a harm? No. So always keep yourself motivated. So whatever you said, one word there is motivation. तो आप मोटिवेशन अपने आप को कैसे रखेंगे? जैसे she said that you know I will study. You said that लॉकडाउन अगर है या कोई सिचुएशन आ गई तो उससे मैं you know how will I rise above it is something which obviously I have to think. So I am going to think that boss I am you know one level above than others, and that's going to keep my business on. Correct? That's our fourth mantra. Action is equal to success. Okay? And when we say action means we will self-learn, we will take help, we will help others in the bargain, right? It cannot be Dena Bank, Lena Bank, Lena Bank, right? It has to be Dena Bank also. Correct? So there, अगर आप एक हाथ से दोगे, there will be people who will, you know, they will just blindly say, yes, we are there to help. Keep yourself motivated at all times. Depend मत होइए किसी पे कि कोई और आके आपको motivation देगा. Right? Everybody is busy in their own lives. Now the last mantra is, how many of you like Salman Khan? Oh my God. सलमान खान क्या क्या करता है लाइफ में?
एक्सरसाइज करता है. एक्सरसाइज करता है.
एक्टिंग करता है,
चैरिटी है.
डोनेशन करता है,
काम क्या करता है? We are all
एक्टिंग.
He's love to do whatever उसे जो भी करना है, he's doing everything. It's about charity, painting, acting, music, everything.
Correct. अच्छा, मतलब आपने उसको देखा है वो कौन सा बोनस बनियान या वीआईपी बनियान उसमें आता है वो? अभी फिलहाल नहीं आ रहा है वो ऐड, है ना? अच्छा, आपने उसको देखा है कि कोक या कोका कोला के कोई तो एक ऐड में आता है, ठीक है? मूवीज भी प्रोड्यूस करता है, एक्ट करता है या जो भी करता है, ठीक है? So from a 50 rupee banyan to a 5 crore movie, he does everything. इसमें common factor क्या है other than the money?
Acting.
No.
Passion.
अरे सीमा
He's
थोड़ा दूर से.
From that. Earn कर रहा है जो भी वो कर रहा है.
Me. Passion towards work.
No. एक ही वर्ड है.
Continuation.
No.
चलो मैं ही बता देती हूँ.
He's earning.
वो one word है सलमान खान खुद.
Brand.
Oh, yes.
His own brand, yes.
He is a brand in itself. मतलब बनियान से लेके वो एक पिक्चर तक बेचता है. Correct? तो उसमें कॉमन क्या है? वो खुद.
Sorry.
Correct? That makes sense.
Yeah.
So that's what. So what we are talking about here, the fifth mantra here is जो दिखता है,
वो क्या है?
personal branding. Okay? Personal branding. तो अगर सीमा कहीं पे जाके खड़ी होती है, ठीक है, she's an actress, okay, so she can come in and ad selling something, like she can sell a beauty product, she can come in a movie, or Ashwini, she can from whatever her profession is, she's an architect, right, Ashwini? Yeah. So from say I can't relate it as of now. So suppose एक home designing से लेके she can connect with Rustam ji. Can you hear me?
There's some noise.
From my end, no. Can everybody mute? Can everybody
Yeah.
mute? Yeah. Okay. So Ashwini, from a designing of a house to getting connected to the biggest of the real estate guy, Rustam ji or whoever you name it. Yeah. Can you see the see the the bandwidth? Correct? Or she can probably have a clientele who are celebrities only. Can you see? Okay, इसमें common क्या हो गया? Ashwini. Getting my point? So personal branding is something which you always have to keep in mind. It is not what your activity or your business is. Because इससे एक और flip चीज क्या होती है कि everybody will just connect you to being this. मतलब जैसे so Garima is into infant जो एकदम जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनके products बनाते हैं, okay? तो people will restrict her कि अच्छा वो infants के जो है ना वो उसके लिए है, okay? या लक्ष्मी जो है लक्ष्मी सिर्फ ये करती है, तो it is तो आप अपनी growth जो है ना वो रोक देते हैं, okay? या आप सिर्फ कपिंग थेरेपी करते हैं, तो कपिंग थेरेपी हाँ ठीक है, so you are restricting your growth. So when people say गरिमा, अच्छा गरिमा तो ये भी, that's what Garima is all about. So personal branding is very, very important. Is everybody in sync? So these are my 5 secret sauce which I have shared with you today. Okay, did it make sense?
Of course, yeah.
Okay. एक और चीज, so 5 other than this 5, so let me tell you something. जो भी successful होता है ना life में, so it is connected to what those 5 things that I've told you. So when you are successful, you always have about 5 to 7 sub businesses attached. Okay, it cannot be that you are just this. Okay? So let's take a very big example of the Ambanis. Okay, So you identify Ambani as आप किस हिसाब से identify करते हो अंबानी को? Do you say हाँ जियो वाला अंबानी क्या? No, you say Ambani's and then वो नीचे 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 सारी चीजें आते हैं. Correct? So a successful business woman is somebody who has 5 to 7 businesses around. That's when you will become successful. मतलब अभी आप success के ये level पे हो, when you have 5 to 7 businesses, okay, you will be further successful and you will be more stronger. Is that clear? So जैसे चलो आप अडानी अंबानी से लेके अभी शबाना को ले लीजिए. ठीक है, मैं मेरा एग्जांपल देती हूँ आपको. So when I started off 2 years, okay, not 2 years back, actually a few years back I left corporates. Okay, I have worked with the best of the companies. Okay, I was heading the departments. I had about hundreds of people working under me directly, indirectly, with a very fat salary. Very, very fat salary. I left because I said, thank you very much. I had enough of my experience. Dena, Lena, all done. Okay, I wanted to be my own boss. So when we started off, I started off with a business and I started off with a partner. Okay, but for some reason it didn't do well. I failed. I failed miserably, but I did not give up. I am not a person who will ever give up. Okay, why? Because this is very strong, and I'm very proud of it. Second is my family. My mom, my sister, my niece, my nephew, my husband, they are like my spine. Like, a person cannot stand without the spine, so they are like my spine. Okay, if I do right, they'll tell me bang up right. If I'm wrong, they'll box me and they'll tell me, boss, kya chal raha hai? Okay, like after this session, there will be, even they are watching. So, they are my teachers. Okay, so when I started, I failed. Then I said, okay, now what do I do next? So one fine day when I was speaking to my mom, and then this entire idea of Ammi's Kitchen came up, of regional cuisine, this, that, and we started off very small. My first ticket was 1,500 rupees, my first order. And then we grew and grew and grew and grew. Today, I am not restricted to being a home chef. Why I'm giving you my example? Because then, because I'm talking to you, can relate. I have not restricted myself to being just a home chef. Today, I am called for events where I get paid for it. Okay, because I have a niche, a very very exclusive kind of cuisine. They call me to have those cuisine for their delegates, for their special guests, and they pay me. Okay, so what I get money. I also get popularity. Okay, so my first intention that I be able to popularize my cuisine. I get that, and obviously I get money. So that's the second thing. I also sell products. So when I say products, so we during summers we have a lot of achar, we have a lot of papad, and these are all blends which are of our region. Okay, so we have that, and then throughout the year we have some of the products going on. Okay. Somebody can please put your phone or phone. Okay, so there is somebody who's still left. Okay, so so product is something that goes on throughout the year. Okay, so that's another vertical that I have. So it is not that, you know, it's just that the cooking thing is on. Okay, women entrepreneur. So we started this women entrepreneur thing about 6 to 8 months back. Okay, so we help women who either are startups or are already, so understand this, either you are a startup or okay, one level below, you want to start up. You are a corporate person, you are in some other profession, or you know, you're working somewhere and you want to start. The other one, you are already a startup. Third is you are into a existing business and you want to grow. And the last one is you are already here and now you want to diversify. Correct? So we help women at every stage. And why I told you my background is because we have grown very strategically. Like I said, in those 5 points, system never fails you. A human will fail, but a system will never fail you. We have done everything very, very strategically. It's very, very planned. Yeah, the way we are growing in the main field, the way we are diversifying.
Paused.
Sorry. Okay.
Anna, your video and audio both are like
Frozen.
paused.
Yeah.
You can't hear me, is what you're saying?
Now I can.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay. So like I was saying that, you know, we are going in a very, very planned way. We are here to help you guys. So that's why this women entrepreneur started off. Okay, because we want to share with you the way we have grown. Okay, we don't want to give you know, अच्छा वो ऐसा होता है, वैसा होता है, वैसा होता है. No, we are giving our own examples. Okay, we want you guys to learn the best practices where we've actually you know, the way we've done things right. We will also share the things where we failed. Okay, so that you don't repeat those things. Okay, so zaruri nahi hai that, you know, to fail or to succeed, you have to do the same mistakes that somebody else has done.
Right.
You don't have to burn your own hands to feel the heat. Correct? So that's why we started this entire women entrepreneur program. So that's another vertical that we have where we make money. Okay, so that's why when you want to be a successful person, just don't think like this. You know, I'm thinking nahi bas main mujhe to yahi karna hai. You have to think about a lot of things. So this is your second homework now. Please write down. That's your second homework. What are the other things which you can do? And it has to be relatable, okay? Ashwini, are you there? So, Takshishla, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, so the homework is you have to write 3-4 things where you can expand, and it has to be relatable. Okay, so it cannot be what example do I give? So it cannot be so a professor who's teaching a particular subject, for example, okay, is getting into acting.
Completely not connected.
Yeah, a professor probably can get into speech, how to talk, how to communicate, because a professor stands in front of somebody and does a public speaking, right? Make sense?
Yeah, and that's my whole idea.
Yeah, makes sense. A cupping therapist also does acupressure.
Yes.
Make sense?
Makes sense.
Yeah. An architect also suggests or collaborates for some very specific kind of artwork.
Yes.
Make sense? Relatable, na? So something like that, 3 to 4 points which you will have to write as homework. Okay?
Yeah.
So before I leave you, two things. One is, so we are planning to have this kind of session every weekend, maybe Saturday, Sunday, okay? And obviously, we will cover up things which are related to business directly, indirectly, okay? I, Ashwini's son, okay? So we will do something directly, indirectly. We will take those topics. So if you guys want to, if you want me to cover up some topics, we can talk about those things. Just drop me a message, okay? And to summarize this entire thing, like I was saying that we are here to help a lot of women to become entrepreneurs and to become successful entrepreneurs. I have a goal, a very clear goal, which I keep reading every single morning that I get up. I have to have X number of, listen to me very carefully. I will tell you the number eventually. I'm surely going to have X number of successful women entrepreneur by 2022. That's my goal. Very clear. And it can be, you can be in any profession. You can be in India. You can be anywhere. We have a lot of women entrepreneurs who have joined our community who are not in India. Okay, so at times we have to be awake at 2:30 in the night and talk to them. But that's fun. That's why I said do whatever it takes. I be awake at 2:30. I speak to them. Then 4 o'clock I go back to sleep. Okay, that's how it is. At times, they call in the night, because it's our daytime. So they are awake and they call me in the, for them it is night and for me it is day. So that's what it is. So, summarizing all this, how is it?
Good.
Yeah,
Very good.
It's really nice.
Motivating. Yeah, really nice. Thanks.
Nice.
So,
Thank you.
so all you women, fantabulous. So you understood, what the kind of energy it is. Okay, and, you be in whatever profession. आप please एक चीज समझिए. अगर आपका system right है, you be in whatever profession, everything will fall in place. Okay, do whatever it takes. No excuses. Lockdown है, फलाना है, ढिमका है, ये है, PTA meeting है. आज मुझे ना यहाँ पे पिंपल आ गया, तो मैं तो see my smiling. आज मुझे एक पिंपल आ गया तो मैं तो नहीं करने वाली. Okay, no excuses. Do whatever it takes. तो जो होमवर्क दिए हैं वो प्लीज करिए, ठीक है? थर्ड होमवर्क मेरे लिए है, जो आप मुझे बताएंगे कि नेक्स्ट वीक में मुझे क्या टॉपिक कवर करना है. प्लीज आप आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं जो भी हैं, इफ दे आर आल्सो इंटरेस्टेड इन जॉइनिंग नेक्स्ट वीक, प्लीज हॉप इन. We'll share the Zoom link with you again. And for all the people who are interested in joining our community, so we have 3 plans. Okay, and so the first plan is a basic plan, which is for 4,999. The second is an intermediate plan, which is for 7,999. The third plan is a VIB plan, which is for 14,999. But all this, if you are registering today, you get a flat 30% off, 30% off. and you can hop in, and you never know, you become tomorrow's Ambani. Okay, everything is possible. 2 years back, I never thought that I will come in Forbes. Okay, I never thought. मुझे सिर्फ एक था, मुझे ना I used to keep asking that मुझे ना एक बार तो पेपर में अपना फोटो चाहिए, some fancy ad, and it happened, and it happens, और वो हो रहा है. Okay, so today if I say that you write a unbelievable statement for you, ये actually आपका third homework होना चाहिए. Please लिखें, please write an unbelievable statement for yourself. मैंने मेरा example दिया ना, जैसे like I said that I didn't know that so like it could be that 6 months down the line I am going to be in Forbes, or I have, write the present word, I will be nahi, futuristic nahi, or I am. Deepti, are you clear? Yeah. So
Yes.
I am in, or whatever, I have 5 lakhs in my bank account, or I have why 5 lakhs? 5 lakhs is nothing now. I have 1 crore in my bank account, whatever, by so and so date. So write a very unbelievable kind of thing, which eventually every day you have to read, so that your mind says that ये possible है, right? So all the best, guys. We like I said, if you want to register, please message me. We will share the details with you of the program. We want to have a solid community which we have built up since February onwards, and trust me, the people that we have are phenomenal. They are amazing.
Am I audible?
Don't know what they have achieved in life, in these 3 months. If you ask them, they will not give an excuse ke lockdown hai. Lockdown mein also they are making money. Okay? So, okay, see you all. Take care. Next week registration करना है, फटाफट आज मैसेज करें और करें. Okay? Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, Shabana.
Thank
Thanks.
you, Shabana. Thank you.
Homework
Thank
करना
you so much. Yeah.
और feedback भी देना.
Bye.
ठीक है.
Yes.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.